Hi, I'm Chirag Suchak. I come with about 15 plus years of experience in HR and 5 plus years of experience in teaching as a visiting faculty. I work as a HR consultant also for various startups based out of India. It was my pleasure to be here at GIBS today. I think not only the hospitality of the academic community here, but also about the thought-provoking questions and the engaging session that I had with students was just brilliant. I wasn't expecting these difficult questions and this engaged, enthusiastic crowd here today, but I think the participation of 100 plus students and the way they were speaking with confidence and sharing their thoughts during the session was something very, very impressive. So I'm very happy to be here and I wish all the best to the entire community and students of GIBS. Thank you so much.